Apple Music media controls disappearing from your Android lock screen is a frustrating but common issue. Understanding why this happens is the first step to fixing it. Media controls on Android work as persistent notifications. When you play music, the app creates a special notification that stays visible on your lock screen, allowing you to control playback without unlocking your device. There are three primary reasons why these controls disappear. First, notification restrictions. If Apple Music's notifications are disabled or limited, the media controls cannot appear on your lock screen. Second, battery optimization settings. Android aggressively manages background apps to save battery. When Apple Music is restricted from running in the background, it cannot maintain the persistent notification needed for media controls. Third, app and system updates can introduce glitches. Sometimes Android OS updates change how notifications are handled, or Apple Music app updates contain bugs that affect media control display. Understanding these root causes helps explain why this issue is so common among Android users. The interaction between Android's system-level controls and third-party apps like Apple Music creates multiple points where things can go wrong. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to restore your Apple Music media controls on Android. We'll start with the most common fixes and work our way through more advanced solutions. Step 1. Check your notification settings. Apple Music needs notification permissions to display media controls on your lock screen. Step 2. Allow background activity for Apple Music. Android's battery management can prevent apps from running in the background, which stops media controls from appearing. Step 3. Disable battery optimization for Apple Music. This is a more advanced battery setting that can interfere with media controls even when background activity is allowed. Step 4. Check your lock screen notification settings. Even with app permissions enabled, your device's global lock screen settings might be hiding the media controls. Step 5. Try basic troubleshooting methods. Sometimes a simple restart or clearing the app's cache can resolve temporary glitches that prevent media controls from appearing. Step 6. Ensure you have the latest version of Apple Music. App updates often include bug fixes that can resolve media control issues. Check the Google Play Store for any available updates. These 6 troubleshooting steps should resolve most issues with Apple Music media controls on Android. Start with the notification and battery settings, as these are the most common causes. If problems persist, the basic troubleshooting methods usually do the trick.